Hello everyone, welcome to the next topic. A quick check in before we start. How long can you stay fully focused on one thing without your mind drifting? Just be honest with yourself. Few seconds, maybe a minute, that's completely okay. Because today we are not judging your focus, we are training it. Why focus is everything? Before anything that feels like deep perception or even telepathy, there is focus. If your mind keeps jumping from thought to thought, from distraction to distraction, then subtle signals get lost. But when your focus becomes steady, you begin to notice things you never noticed before. Focus is like a lens, scattered, blurry, but if it's steady, it's clear. Your mind is not broken. Let's clear something first. If your mind wanders a lot, it doesn't mean you lack discipline. It means your brain is doing what it's designed to do, to scan, to think, to explore. So instead of fighting your mind, we are going to gently guide it. Next is a few exercises that we can do to improve our focus. First exercise, single point focus. Let's try this together. Pick a simple object near you, anything, a pen, your phone, a spot on the wall, anything. Now place your attention on it. Just observe its shape, its color, its details. Now here's the important part. When your mind drifts, and it will, gently bring it back. No frustration, no judgment. Just return. Start with 30 seconds, then slowly increase over time. Next exercise is breath focus. Now shift your attention inward. Focus on your breath. Feel the air coming in, feel the air going out. Don't control it, just observe. If thoughts come, let them pass and gently come back to your breath. This trains your mind to stay present, return quickly, reduce mental noise. And the third exercise, counting focus. Let's make it slightly more structured. As you breathe, count each breath. Inhale 1, exhale 2, up to 10, then restart. If you lose count, that's okay. Just begin again from 1. This helps you notice when your attention slips and how quickly you can bring it back. Next, the real skill. Here's something important. The goal is not to never lose focus. The real skill is how gently and quickly you return. Every time you bring your attention back, you are strengthening your mind like a muscle. How this connects to our journey. As your focus improves, you will notice subtle emotional shifts in people, small changes in tone or expression, your own thoughts becoming clearer, and this creates the foundation for everything ahead. Because without focus, even the strongest intuition becomes unclear. A small practice plan for you. Just keep it simple for the next few days. 2 minutes object focus, then 2 minutes of breath focus, and then 2 minutes of counting. That's it. Consistency matters more than intensity. You don't need to control your mind, you just need to guide it patiently. Because every moment of awareness, every gentle return is building something powerful within you. And you'll start feeling the difference sooner than you expect. In the next lesson, we'll expand this ability further. Visualization mastery. Learning to see without using your eyes. Sounds exciting? I'll see you there.